Hello guys and welcome to the same workshop. If you guys can pay closer attention to this outfit, you notice that I'm still working on this. So I just want to show you guys how I achieved this puff on the shoulder. The shoulder is still very simple and it is detachable actually, so you can see that. So I will show you guys how I get this cuff on the sleeve. Can you see that? It's quite simple. It's just a simple trick I mostly use for suits. So to give me that shape that I want on the shoulder and that puff on that sleeve. It's just a simple trick. So you can see the other side also. Both sleeves are still detachable because I had to like fix the neck before I'll fix the sleeve and do the closing maybe in either of those two sleeves. So I will show you guys how to achieve that puff aspect. I get several comments and several requests on how to like make a suit. Making a suit is a little bit time consuming, so it take me mostly roughly 9 hours to finish a complete suit because it takes years and you have to be able to get an accurate fitted suit. So it mostly take me time. I cannot break it down under 9 minutes video or 10 or 15 minutes video that I used to like upload on YouTube. So if you guys would like to see the full cutting and stitching of this video, it will be available on my website www.sewingworkshop.com.ng, so you guys can watch it over there. And let's just get straight into this and make sure you pay closer attention. It's just a simple trick. Enjoy. An aspect of it. So if I apply this to this suit right here, it's going to like stand and give me the feel of the puff that I want. Can you see that? Can you see the shoulder? I'm having the puff already. It's giving me that shape of that suit sleeve. However, this one I'm having just a straight cuff here. So here I will be showing you how I shape that puff. And if you like to see the full video of the suit stitching, it's a lot of things. It doesn't take me like 20 minutes of normal video. So it won't be available on my YouTube channel. It will be available on my website www.sewingworkshop.com. So I will just show you how I achieve this cuff part of this suit shoulder. So let me show you this now. So here, can you see this? It's just still very flat. The thing I did is very simple. All I did is I will just thread a needle. I will knot the edge of it. And at the first edge, if you can see, I already had the clothes stay here, which is a fusing. Or just like thread this aspect, this particular place, and make it a little bit hard. Then I'll start passing my needle in on the tip of each of the shoulder, just like that. Just going to pass the needle. Can you see that? I'm just gonna like let this go through it. Then I'll continue at this part. There's a bit of work in making a suit. Like if you want to get a corporate suit, you have to take your time. That's why you have to charge your clients very well. Like enough money for 24 hours. How much is your 24 hours worth? If you'll be sitting down with a suit to give it a corporate shape, you have to know how much you're worth and how much you'll be charging because it requires a lot of a lot of time. So I'll just try as much as possible to get it to this particular aspect where there's no stay. You can see that. So now all I will just have to do is just, can you see, I'm already having that feel of cough around here. Can you see it just puff a little bit? Then all I'll just do is just to pull it up. Can you see that? Can you see what I'm having right now? Do you see that? I just did this, just like puff it up. So when you're stitching, you find a way to make sure your hand is, but when you're stitching, you will not get this guidance actually. It's just a way of giving it a form. And if you like to see the full video, you can easily go to my website to see the full video. So I'm just going to like call this out. So when you take a closer look at this, you see, so I'm going to also attach it to the side of the sleeve so that you can see that I'm almost there.